This video demonstrates how to create a dashboard in Analytics Builder. Use Analytics Builder to create and share dashboards of your data analyses. Note that you must have first created an analysis, like a visual, before creating a dashboard. Refer to the video description for links on creating a visual in Analytics Builder. After clicking Publish for an analysis, the Publish a Dashboard dialog appears. Select one of the following options: New Dashboard or Replace Existing Dashboard. If you created a new dashboard, enter a name. Click More Settings if you want to alter the dashboard visuals and data points. Click Publish Dashboard. When your dashboard is published, you have several options for saving and sharing it. Click Scheduling to send the dashboard to readers at a specific time. Click Version History to check version information. Click Bookmark to bookmark your dashboard. Click Export to print or generate a PDF of your dashboard. You can also view previous exports. Click Save as to create a new analysis from your dashboard. Click Share to invite users to the dashboard and manage their permissions. Click View to alter the display of your dashboard. Click Alerts to create an alert, if applicable, to your chosen visual. Now you know how to create and share dashboards of your data analyses. Thanks for watching.